In this video, we are going to show you how to connect your Shopify store to Nihao Dropshipping. To start, go to nihaodropshipping.com. Click the register button at the top right corner of the page and enter the registration page. Fill in the necessary information to register. Then, in the Nihao Dropshipping dashboard, click Authorization in the left navigation bar. Select Shopify and then click App Store to go to the Nihao Dropshipping App listing page. You can also find our app in the Shopify App Store. Click Add App to redirect you to your Shopify admin, and click the Install App button to authorize the use of the app. Then you have successfully authorized your Shopify store to Nihao app. Know that Nihao allows you to